Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to our writing lesson. Today we write, not speak.
Great. I am ready to practice writing.
This class reinforces small objects and possessive adjectives. We use them actively through writing. First activity, listen and write. You will hear a short text and write the words you hear. Second activity, make a sentence. You will build simple sentences with small object words.
I like writing short sentences.
Excellent. Let us start with listen and write. Listen and write. This is a dictation. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
So I listen first and then write.
Yes. Focus on the words and the possessive adjectives. Step 1. Listen to the whole text. Listen once to get a first idea of the text. Step 2. Write what you hear. During the dictation, write the words in your notebook. Step 3. Check and correct. Compare your writing with the original text and correct mistakes.
I will write carefully.
Good. First, listen to the full text. Now, listen to the dictation. My key is on the small table. Your pen is in the blue cup. Mia has her phone and her watch. Tom has his coin in a little box. Our cards are in this bag. Their toy has its red button. Now I will read little by little. Are you ready, Nexo?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Write each part you hear. My key is on the small table. Your pen is in the blue cup. Mia has her phone and her watch. Tom has his coin in a little box. Our cards are in this bag. Their toy has its red button. Well done, everyone. Nexo, how was the dictation?
It was good. Some words were easy.
Excellent. Now compare your writing with the original text and correct any mistakes.
Make a sentence.
Now we will build 6 sentences. Use one proposed word in each sentence.
You can also use 20 helper words.
Try to use possessive adjectives when they fit.
I can write short sentences with my words.
First, see an example. We will listen to Nexo do the exercise, so you have a model. Second, make your sentences. You create your own sentences with the main words and the helper words. Think about meaning first. A short, clear sentence is perfect. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Key. My key is in my bag. Pen. Your pen is blue. Phone. Her phone is on the table. Watch. His watch is small. Our cup is red. Box. Their box is under the chair.
Good work, Nexo. Your sentences are clear. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You finished the writing practice. Keep your sentences and review them later. See you in the next lesson.